Hello everyone, welcome to this tutorial on handling autosuggestion in Selenium. Today we will learn how to interact with the autosuggestion dropdown that appear when you start typing into a search box or input field. As user input text here, search entities, in dropdown search entities text are appear. Now we will handle this search dropdown auto suggestions dropdown in Selenium. So let's begin. For typing here in search bar, we will locate this element by ID. Here both locators are available, ID and name. We can locate by ID and name. Copy this ID, web element, search is equal to driver dot find element by dot ID. After locating this element, we will type on this search bar search dot send keys. In send keys, enter the search entities. Let's run this script. In this scenario, Chrome driver is opening and navigate to this URL and enter the text in search field. As you can view, only enter the text in this search bar. Now we need to click on this search entities. We can handle this dropdown, auto search dropdown, by using keyboard buttons. Search dot send keys case dot enter. We will, after enter the text in this field, we will click on the enter key. Let's run this script. Chrome driver is opening and enter the text here and click on the enter key. Now we can also clear this text by using clear. Let's add some weight thread dot set 1000. After enter the text, we will clear the value from this search bar. Send search dot clear. Let's run this script. In this scenario, it will navigate to this URL, enter the text in auto suggestion field and clear the text. text has been clear from this field. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel, like this video and comment.